To install additional voices for ActorCue, tap Copy Add Preferred Voice. Minimize ActorCue. Tap into Search or swipe down on the home screen. Copy and paste Add Preferred Voice. Tap Add Preferred Voice. Tap Add Preferred Voice in this menu. Tap English. Now preview any voice you would like to test and download.
Hello, my name is Ava. I am an American English voice.
Tap the Download button. Now exit this menu, go back into ActorCue, tap Done. Ava Premium is now available.
Hello, I am your scene partner.
You can apply this voice to this line or apply the voice to all reader lines. You can also make this voice the director voice.
Hello, I am your director.
You can also choose any other voice to be the director voice. It does not have to be the same as the reader voice.